Allow me to say at the outset, with no offense whatsoever intended to the good people or the city of New York, how good it feels to host a Cadillac event in a city where it all started for us. Cadillac is back in Detroit and more determined than ever to reclaim the mantle of Catalyst, to once again become the pinnacle of mobility. This historic product assault has already helped us set a new high water mark for Cadillac in 2018, with more than 380,000 total sales on a global basis. And certainly, we're working to drive growth for Cadillac in the US and markets around the world. As the Cadillac plan unfolds, you'll see our continued commitment to the sedan market and to our successful V-Series. You'll see our commitment to rolling out Super Cruise across the full Cadillac portfolio beginning next year. And in case you missed it, Consumer Reports ranked Super Cruise as the industry's leading semi-autonomous technology. Yes, even outranking Tesla's Autopilot. And just this week, Autoblog named Super Cruise its Technology of the Year. Now, importantly, our product plan creates Cadillac's first true family of SUVs, which is going to accelerate Cadillac's growth around the world. That story begins with the iconic Escalade. It continues with the midsize XT5, our best-selling model the world over, and our first ever compact luxury crossover, Cadillac XT4, which joined the fight in September, and by November, went straight to #1 in its segment. So tonight, we're excited to introduce another new player, an elegant and spacious 3-row luxury crossover positioned between the XT5 and the Escalade, a vehicle that offers room for new possibilities. So ladies and gentlemen, the 2020 Cadillac XT6 Sport. It's driving into a fast-growing segment with class-leading spaciousness, safety, and convenience. It joins the compact XT4, midsize XT5, and the iconic Escalade to accelerate the brand's global growth with a spirit that is uniquely Cadillac. XT6 is for families that refuse to sacrifice style or luxury. It's full of thoughtful details, ensuring that every seat is the best seat in the house. Now, like XT4, XT6 will come to market with 2 distinct personas, and we call this our Y strategy, which gives our customers distinct choices for a customized appearance and matching driving character straight from the factory. The XT6 Sport models, like the vehicle that you see here, feature more aggressive elements such as gloss black exterior details and carbon fiber interior accents, including optional 21-inch wheels for the first time on a Cadillac crossover.